Everyone, I'm back for another freaking YouTube video. In the last video, y'all saw this baby. Remember? Well, of course y'all do. It hasn't been too far away. Well, I just found my pocket knife. 5-finger death punch, heavy metal pocket band pocket knife. See the 5, and then the F, and then the D, and then the P are your screen color. From what I found, when I went to buy this, there was a blue variant and a red variant. I got the green one because, hell, I'm an Irish redneck. You can open it normally, which I really do not, because if you don't actually hear the click and you open it like this, oh shit, like that, it's easier to close, so you have to put it all the way back. Quick action, finger right here, and then to close. Oh wait. As place to put on your belt or pants or shorts. As brass knuckles for the skull. It's a dependable knife because it's not flimsy that much on the blade. The blade's sharp. Don't know how much. It has a design like a karambit right here that you can't put your finger through, but it's a nice little piece. So if you don't want to stab someone, you can just jab them with this piece. And there's two. Jab them into there. Make sure you get skin onto it from your person you're trying to finish off, and twist and pull. Hurts. For the stab, twist, pull. And it's a decent knife. I just don't like it because it's stainless steel. Stainless steel is only good for kitchenware, not defense knives. If you want an actual good knife, or a dagger, or a sword, get carbon blade, carbon dioxide metal. Just like this. I locked it. Is, I believe, yeah, it's stainless steel, made in China. Flimsy, see? I'm going to have to fix this, screw it back in, so it's not as flimsy anymore. But it's still a good comb. Just like last video, stay tuned, more weapons to show. Have a nice day. Yeet yeet, Redneck Nation out.